morning. It's 6:30. I'm finding that I can't really sleep in like I used to. Yes. But I haven't been sleeping like too terrible. I got half a headache again this morning. But it's not bad. Oh my gosh. It's really humid out. But it's not too terrible. Of course, it is 6:30 in the morning. So I imagine by about noon, it's probably going to be pretty bad. I think I'm going to sit here and drink my coffee and edit today's vlog because I work night shift tonight, so I work 4 to midnight, so I can't do it tonight. I'll have to do it today. Oh, and have it up before I go to work. So yeah. All right, so let me get this day started. Oh, ugh. Hold on a second. That didn't really help, did it? Anyway, so I have my erase board, which I've been putting positive quotes on. Well, I haven't changed it since the last one I put on weeks and weeks ago. So I'm like, okay, well, I want to start changing it every day. Like, what's this, guys? Sorry, squirrel. I didn't feel like doing my hair. Well, I'm not doing my hair because I'm doing stuff around the house. And then I'm gonna do a workout and then I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Because, y'all, I gotta get back in shape. And that's just the realness of it. So anyway, so I decided that I'm gonna pick one of these a day and put it on my board. So let's see which one I pick today. And if this is one that you put in the dryer, let me know so I know who did it. I'm just gonna reach in randomly and pull out the pink ticket. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Of course, it'd be a long one. It says, sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsessed. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best. So there you have it. So if this was one of yours, leave it in the comment below. And I don't know, I'll shout you out in the next video. If I remember and can figure out how to link it. But if I don't do any of that, thank you anyway. So I'm gonna put that on my dry erase board today. So yeah, I need to go full close now. decided to get on the bike. And I rode up to what we always called the first stream. There's two, and it goes through the marsh. And it's really kind of peaceful here. The seagull keeps flying around me. And it's a good place where, minus the other bicyclists. Hold on. I was trying to make it a moment, but some bicyclists came by. Can't really control that. It is a trail. But anyway, it's really kind of peaceful here. This was, we rode our bikes on here a lot, especially to this stream. Now there's one a little further up, so depending on how we were feeling, we would ride either to the first or the second. And this trail actually is connected to a 20-mile loop that goes the whole way into Lewis through Cape Penelope and back up into Rehoboth. Now, it's been a couple of years since we've been able to do that because of health issues and the cancer and everything else. So my goal is to get myself back in enough shape that I can do that 20-mile loop again. Obviously, I can't do it today because I'm way out of shape, you know. So one little baby step at a time. So working on eating better, getting back out on the bicycle. Here he comes again. This seagull just keeps see, look, there he is. I've said it before, and I know that you'd think I'd be used to vlogging in front of people, but I think most people would probably think it's weird. But anyway, like I said, I know he's all around me in nature. Because well, I can feel him. Great day for a bike ride. Work. I didn't bring, I'll have to text Lizzie to bring the trash can. Ugh, it's hot. So I guess in a way I'm kind of glad I get to go spend the rest of the evening in air conditioning. This thing is probably the worst cell phone holder for a car. But we'll have this. So, neighbors. So I'm going to work. What did I do today? Like, I feel like I was actually kind of productive today. Watered all the plants, figured out the hose situation. I need to get, it's the actual spigot thing, so I have to get the park, talk to the park manager, and see if she can get somebody out to fix it, because that's what's leaking. Otherwise, I just turn it on when I need it and turn it back off again. I went for a bike ride right across the street where I live. Like, I live in a development, then you cross over the main road, and there's outlets, and then behind the outlets is a trail. It's a bike trail, walk trail, and that trail leads, you can go two ways on it. You can go into Take It and hit connecting ones up into Lewis, or you can take it into Rehoboth. So if you're biking, it makes it nice and gets you off the main roads. So I did that today. I helped Lacey look for a dog that wasn't really lost. That's a whole other story. Did some laundry. And I edited and posted a vlog. So I did a good bit, I guess. I mean, I could have done a lot more, I'm sure. I was up since like 6 o'clock in the morning. My glasses are like blurry. But yeah, so gotta go to work. I work 4 to midnight, so this is probably going to be the last clip of the vlog, unless I feel rambunctious and decide to film after work. I don't like filming at work. Work is work. It's separate from my vlogs. But anyway, so that's about it, guys. That's about all that's going on. Did have some pretty cool visits from some butterflies and a seagull while I was on the bike trail. Kept circling me, which was pretty neat. Traffic is ridiculous. Sorry, I'm not sitting. You can still go, I'm not really in the traffic. It's ridiculous. So when I get used to riding my bike again, I'm just gonna take my bike to work. Because then I can just take the sidewalks up and hit the back way behind the stores instead of fighting traffic. The only problem is it's hot. So, and I wear all black. Black pants, black shirt. So, that makes it difficult. But anyway, I'm not gonna sit here and ramble on and on. So I hope everybody had a wonderful, beautiful day. I hope you went out there and made somebody smile. I hope somebody made you smile. And I hope you're putting out into this world what you want back. And I hope you're aiming to make all of your dreams come true. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.